Hello everyone, welcome back to forceGalaxy. Hope you are doing good. So today we will going to start with the interesting topic of Service Cloud, that is the web chat. How we can enable the live support for our customers so they can directly connect with the support agent and discuss their queries and problems. So there are other ways also to connect with the support agent like web forms, social media, via phone, email, and etc. But they are not as much as quick as the web chats are, as you are getting here or you are providing your customer the live support, and as soon as they message or ping, it will assign to one of the customer or one of the agents, so he can quickly look over to the customer and resolve his problem. So today we will going to see on our screen how we can enable, and while doing this we will perform one trailhead module, so in which it is very well explained. So today we will set up a web chat and create a test website, so where we can test our web chat. So let's move to our screen. So before starting with the module direct, let me introduce with the web chat. What are web chat? So this is a combination or made up of few different parts in Salesforce. So here the first comes the chat, then omni-channel, and then the embedded service. So here chat is the agent part. It gives your support agent the power of conversational messaging right in the console. That is, in the console itself we can able to access the, or we have the power to respond to our customers. Then next we have the omni channel. This is the delivery. It gets a chat request to the right agent. So this is the omni channel, which is the medium through which the chat comes to the agent from the customer. Now the next is the embedded services. So this is the customer part. It provides a chat window that optimized for the mobile browser too. That is, on the website you might have seen many times, you have on the right side you have a pop-up box where you can chat and call for the agent for your issues and concerns. So this is the embedded service. So now let's start with the module. So here this is our module using which we will going to set up a web chat in Salesforce. So now let's start and move to our Salesforce org. So here let's move to the service setup. So this is how our service setup look like. This is the home page for service setup, and here is the option view all. Let's click on this, and in this we will going to select the option chat with customer. So we will going to set up this, so click on this. So here are the various steps. After completing this we will successfully able to enable this chat with customer. So here from the task we will going to write the name, queue name here, and then the name of this group, that is the chat agents. And now next we need to select the user, the number of user we want to add in this. So currently here is the one active user. Let's select this, and next we have the option to add the item size, work item size, and the agent capacity. So by default here are the values 5 and 20. Let's make let's do not change this. Move to next. So here are the option to write the website URL. So website URL we will going to take from the task, that is the force.com. And now next we need to enter the site domain, Salesforce site domain. If already exists, or if we have already registered for the domain, then this option will not automatically fill up, and if there is no setup done or registration done, then we need to register it. So let's register the Salesforce site. So from sites, here we will going to register the domain. Let's write the unique name here. Name is available. Now register the Salesforce site domain. So side by side let's create one Salesforce site also, force.com site, and make it active. So here I have created this and make it active. So now next is, now let's refresh this and check. Now this time we only get the option for the website URL. Now the next we have the option to select the chat type. So in this we have the various options: sales, service and just contact. So for now we need to select the service. We are going to set up this for the service support. So now next we have the option here to select the offline support, like if my agent is on break or is on lunch, then in that case it will give our customers to write their subject concern and their queries in the text field, which we will going to add. So here on the backend it will create the case of that query. So here we have the option to add the multiple list or the fields for which we want to enter for which we want them to enter the values. So for now let's make them subject and web email. So here we are done with the setup and it is making our chat with customer ready. So here after completing it will provide us a code. So this is the important code which we need to copy, and this code we will going to embed or going to add on our website or on a page, whatever we are going to use. So using this code only it will going to give us the pop-up on our site for the customers to get live contact or live support from the site. So our next step is to create the VF page, and in that VF page we will going to add this code. I have added my code and let's preview this page. So at bottom, as you can see, here is the screen on which on click of which we will get an option to connect with our agent. So for now as you can see, it is only giving us the offline support. Currently inside my Salesforce no live agent is added. So if you remember, in our offline support we have added two fields, subject and the web email. It is showing both the fields, and if we fill the values on the backend it will going to create a case. So as soon as any agent will look up into the case, it will they will connect with the customer. So in the next video we will going to set up the live agent inside the Salesforce so that our customer will get the live support. So let's also check the task. So we have completed successfully with 500 points. I hope you enjoy the video and the module 2, and in the next module in the next video we will cover the next and see how we can embed and do branding of our app chats. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Goodbye.